Imagine a world where data is safe, transparent, and instantly accessible. This is the promise of blockchain. It's changing how businesses analyze data. But how exactly does it work? Let's break it down. First, blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology. It records transactions across many computers. This means no single entity controls the data. Transparency and security are built-in features. In traditional data analysis, businesses rely on centralized databases. These systems can be hacked or manipulated. In contrast, blockchain offers a tamper-proof solution. Data is immutable once added. This provides a reliable basis for business decisions. Now let's explore the steps involved in using blockchain for analytics. Step 1 involves data collection. Information is gathered from various sources. Step 2 is data validation. Each transaction is verified by the network. Step 3 is data storage. Information gets stored on the blockchain, ensuring its integrity. Neat, right? Now, why is this important for businesses? Take a supply chain example. Each transaction within the blockchain is recorded transparently. Companies can track products in real time. This eliminates fraud and ensures authenticity. Businesses can analyze this data for better decision-making. Another example is customer engagement. Companies can gather feedback directly through blockchain. This data is trustworthy, leading to better products and services. Analyze buyer behavior more accurately and adapt strategies quickly. In summary, blockchain revolutionizes business analytics. It offers security, transparency, and efficiency. Businesses can trust their data while making informed decisions. So what's the next step? Explore how blockchain can benefit your organization. Start researching blockchain solutions today and transform how you analyze data. Don't miss out. Subscribe Future Mind AI Trends for more insights and stay updated.